instead of like a reading exercise, okay? So that would be a better challenge. Let me try on YouTube if it's gonna work. Wait. I don't even know how to do it on YouTube. It's the first time I go live without my computer, with my phone. Guys, make a comment on YouTube so I know how to make a comment as well. Ya Allah. That's the most facial يعني how can I say, what's facial? Failed live I've ever done in my life. Okay, if anyone knows how I can copy paste on YouTube, let me know, so at least I can put a comment on YouTube. And if not, we don't copy paste it, we put it after that. خلاص يلا. Let me get a chair. I don't know why the light, oh my god, everything is going wrong in this live. Okay, even the lights went off. Wait, let me try to. Okay, yes, it's back. At least let me get a chair, yalla, and we start. Okay, خلاص يلا. Take it as a listening exercise and just say out loud with me. Rosie. Okay, yalla. خلونا نبلش. So I'm just gonna say what I did today, one sentence at a time, explain it, and then say it one more time for you to say with me. Ready? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, around 20 sentences. Okay, very nice. Yalla. So I'm gonna start by telling you what I did today, so that later on maybe you tell me what you did today. When I do this, it's giving me thumbs up, so yalla, give me thumbs up. Okay, so today I woke up at 9:30. اليوم وعيت شي الساعة 9:30. Why did I use she? She usually means thing or something, but here I mean to say around. So اليوم وعيت شي الساعة 9:30. I don't need to say she, I can just say الساعة 9:30 at 9:30. Guys, it's a listening exercise, so say out loud with me, whoever just came. أول شي ومثل العادة. So I said أول شي, first of all, ومثل العادة, as usual. طلعت على تليفوني, I looked at my phone. وبعتت رسائل لكم شخص, and I sent رسائل, messages. I can say بعتت مساجات لكم شخص, to a few people. So let's repeat this sentence. I will pause so you have time to repeat after me, okay? أول شي ومثل العادة اطلعت على تليفوني وبعثت رسائل لكم شخص. It's a listening exercise. Whoever came, repeat after me. من بعد, after that, من بعد غسلت وجهي, I washed my face. وحطيت, I put كريماتي. Again, من بعد غسلت وجهي وحطيت كريماتي. ولبست, and I put on or I wore, ولبست شورت وتيشيرت لروح عالبحر. ولبست شورت وتيشيرت لروح, so that I go. Usually بروح means I go. If I want to say so that I go, I put the la before and I drop the b. I cannot say لا بروح, that would be wrong. I said لروح عالبحر, so that I go to the beach. Let me repeat this part. من بعد, let me fix my hair. من بعد غسلت وجهي وحطيت كريماتي ولبست شورت وتيشيرت لروح عالبحر. Are you saying out loud with me? Let me know. Guys, whoever just came, this is a listening exercise. I tried to copy paste the text in the live, but for some reason it's not working. So take it as a listening exercise. Say out loud with me and read the text under the video after the live. Okay? So, are you listening? So, it's a listening and speaking out loud exercise. So, repeat with me like a parrot. I'm gonna make a comment and say, repeat after me like a parrot, so that whoever comes, they see it. I don't have to keep on repeating it. Like a babbaga. Parrot. Okay. Okay. Let me find the parrot emoticon. Okay. Yalla. Huh. I put it there. I'm gonna pin the comment. Huh. Okay. Repeat after me like a parrot. On YouTube, I don't even know how to write, where to find the text box. Okay. So, are you saying out loud with me? Let me know. So, let me repeat the final sentence. من بعد غسلت وجهي وحطيت كريماتي ولبست شورت وتي شيرت لروح على البحر. بس غيرت رأيي. I changed my mind or opinion. رأي means opinion in some cases as well. So غيرت رأيي. I changed my mind. بس غيرت رأيي لأنه الطقس ما كان كتير حلو. Because the weather wasn't so nice. Let's say it again. بس غيرت رأيي لأنه الطقس ما كان كتير حلو. درجة الحرارة, we're saying literally the degree of the heat, which means the temperature. درجة الحرارة كانت was, I'm using كانت in the feminine form because درجة الحرارة is feminine. درجة الحرارة كانت 15. 15. درجة الحرارة كانت 15 وكان في هوا بارد, and there was a cool wind. هوا بارد. So let's repeat. بس غيرت رأيي لأنه الطقس ما كان كتير حلو. درجة الحرارة كانت 15 وكان في هوا بارد, and there was cold wind. Okay, so far these are the first 4 sentences. Let me know if you're saying out loud with me or I'm talking with myself. If I'm talking with myself, I can go have dinner. But if you're saying out loud with me, I can stay. Let me know. Are you saying or just there not doing anything? Bravo, Rosie. Literally like a parrot. Okay. Who else is saying out loud? Guys, as I said, the text is not copy-pastable during the live, so I'll copy-paste it. I had prepared it so I can copy-paste it for you, but for some reason it's not working, so I'm gonna put it under the video when... so it's me 5. Okay, that's really nice that both of you are doing that. Perfect. Okay, I'm happy you're all doing that. Okay, so I'll copy-paste this later on. So I'm gonna say, ضليت بالبيت. I stayed in the house, we're saying in Arabic. So ضليت بالبيت, or you can say fa, which means so. فضليت بالبيت وما بعرف ليه ما ظهرت كل النهار. And I don't know why I didn't go out all day. So كل النهار, but pronounced كل النهار, all day. So there is the il. If there's no il, the meaning changes into كل نهار every day. So it's not كل نهار, it's كل النهار, pronounced كل النهار. So let's repeat this part. فضليت بالبيت وما بعرف ليه, I don't know why, ما ظهرت كل النهار. Again. فضليت بالبيت وما بعرف ليه ما ظهرت كل النهار. يمكن maybe كرمال هيك, that's why, حاسة حالي, I feel. So in Arabic you say something like I feel myself, which means I feel. حاسة حالي شوي, a little bit, مخنوقة. مخنوقة يعني choked or يعني uncomfortable but literally choked. مخنوقة أو مفقوسة. مفقوسة literally means cracked يعني a little down or low. Okay, so let's repeat. يمكن كرمال هيك حاسة حالي شوي مخنوقة أو مفقوسة. Now if you're a guy you won't say حاسة حالي, you have to say حاسس حالي. حاسس حالي شوي مخنوق أو مفقوس, a little low. يلا, can I go on? Is it too fast? Thank you for writing it. Okay, tell me your names before you write anything so I can say thank you and say your name or anything, whatever I need to say. Okay. So I said let's repeat the last sentence. يمكن كرمال هيك حاسة حالي شوي مخنوقة أو مفقوسة. Then I say يمكن حاسة هيك, maybe I feel like that. يمكن حاسة هيك لأنه because كمان also ما عملت حركة اليوم. I didn't do movement today, which means I didn't move today. So again, يمكن حاسة هيك لأنه كمان ما عملت حركة اليوم. Or I can say ما تحركت, I didn't move. ما تحركت اليوم, I didn't move today. So يمكن حاسة هيك لأنه ما عملت حركة اليوم أو ما تحركت اليوم. بس كان نهار كتير منيح كشغل. I said but it was a day very good كشغل in terms of work. ك usually means as, but here in this context it means in terms of work. بس كان نهار كتير منيح كشغل. Say with me again. If you had a good day with work or in terms of work, you say كان نهار كتير منيح كشغل. غيتو. What's the word غيتو? It's a nice word. Memorize it. غيتو. غاية literally means a goal or a target. غايته, you mean to say its goal or its target. It means nothing with goals or targets in this context. As a word, when we say غايته, it's a way to say like the target of the initial conversation we were having, or that's why it means anyways, going back to the point. So غايته. Okay, so when you're saying something and you change the topic and then you want to come back to the topic, you say غايته. Nice word? Memorize it. غايته. تروقت مأخر. I breakfasted. That's how you're saying it in Arabic. تروقت مأخر. So I'm not saying مأخر, I'm saying مأخر. تروقت مأخر. I had late breakfast. I breakfasted late. أكلت بيض مسلوق. I ate boiled eggs مع سلطة وجبنة وتوست, with a salad and cheese and toast, يعني crackers. We say toast. Again, say with me out loud. Everybody who just came, we're doing just a listening and speaking exercise. You listen and you say out loud with me like a parrot, okay? And then you see the text after the live under the video. So, تروقت مأخر. أكلت بيض مسلوق مع سلطة وجبنة وتوست. I'm saying slow, in the end we can say them faster, okay? من بعدها, after that, من بعدها قعدت, I sat down, قعدت على الكمبيوتر. I sat down on the computer, we say. قعدت على الكمبيوتر, merci. واشتغلت منيح, and I worked good, which means I worked well. يلا, من بعدها قعدت على الكمبيوتر واشتغلت منيح. اوكي, يلا. بعتت دروس هالجمعة لتلاميذي. I said بعتت. I sent. بعتت دروس. The lessons of. بعتت دروس هالجمعة of this week. بعتت دروس هالجمعة ل to or for تلاميذي my students. بعتت دروس هالجمعة لتلاميذي. I sent this week's lessons to my students because I'm teaching tomorrow, so I have to send them on the weekend. Again, بعتت دروس هالجمعة لتلاميذي. Okay, so far, if you're saying out loud, say yes. If you like the video, put a thumb up, make a comment, say anything just to make this video more visible to more and more people. Okay? يلا. So I said بعتت دروس هالجمعة لتلاميذي. And then what did I do? صلحت النصوص. نص is a text. نصوص in the plural is texts. صلحت النصوص, but I'm pronouncing it صلحت النصوص. صلحت النصوص. I corrected the texts that I, oh my god, I'm sorry. The texts that I need to put under the videos that I did live last week, so I corrected them all and I put the text, so you have now the texts there. You can go check them out, by the way. So صلحت النصوص لحطن. So حط is I put. لحت is so that I put. لحطن with the on in the end means so that I put them. So صلحت النصوص لحطن تحت الفيديوهات under the videos. صلحت النصوص لحطن تحت الفيديوهات يلي which عملتن, which I did them we say in Arabic instead of saying which I did. يلي عملتن آخر 7 أيام, in the past 7 days. Let me say it again and you say out loud with me. يلا. صلحت النصوص لحطن تحت الفيديوهات يلي عملتن آخر 7 أيام. Do I go on or it's too much? If you tell me it's too much, I can stop. If not, there is like the same size almost. شو? Do you want me to go on? Imagine you say خلص يلا enough, go. So, let me know if you're saying out loud. If you're not saying out loud, I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna continue. You have to say out loud like a parrot with me. It's just a speaking exercise and a listening exercise. No reading, no grammar, no nothing. Just hear, say out loud. Hear, say out loud. Okay? So this trains your ears. Later on, you can see the texts under, as I said. Okay? So yalla. And then I said, okay, let me repeat the last sentence a little faster. صلحت النصوص لحطن تحت الفيديوهات يلي عملتن آخر 7 أيام. بس خلصت, when I finished, بس خلصت. I can say here instead of بس, I can say لما خلصت, when I finished. Or بس خلصت, when I finished. تلفنت لأهلي. I called for someone, we say in Arabic. لا. تلفنت لا. تلفنت لأهلي. I called my parents. بس خلصت تلفنت لأهلي. كانوا مجمعين. They were gathered. You can say مجمعين, مجتمعين. Same thing. كانوا مجتمعين. They were gathered. كانوا مجمعين. They were gathered. مع الجيران. With the neighbors. As usual on Sundays everybody gets together. كانوا مجمعين مع الجيران. They were gathered with the neighbors. مع الجيران والأصحاب and the friends. Say with me out loud. كانوا مجمعين مع الجيران والأصحاب وعم بيتغدوا. So they are having lunch, but I'm saying they are lunching. But why am I saying عم بيتغدوا? And I'm not saying كانوا عم بيتغدوا. They were having lunch. Because I already put كانوا at the beginning of the sentence, so no need to repeat وكانوا عم بيتغدوا. You could, but no need. Okay? So let's repeat this part. كانوا مجمعين مع الجيران والأصحاب وعم بيتغدوا مع بعض together or with each other وعم بيتغدوا مع بعض. اشتقت لهالقعدات. اشتقت I missed لا you miss for something in Arabic. اشتقت لهال these قعدات literally sitting downs which means gatherings. قعدة in the singular is a gathering. قعدات with a قاف written قعدات that's gatherings in the plural. So اشتقت لهالقعدات. I miss those gatherings. Say with me again. اشتقت لهالقعدات. Okay so far? If anyone has a question, ask me now. مين عنده سؤال? Who has a question? Okay, I'm happy you find it useful. Thank you, Rosie. I'm happy you like it. Thanks for the videos. I watch them all the time, but this is my first time seeing you live. I'm usually live on Instagram, so if you're not on my Instagram, come to there, okay? And I speak both dialects since I'm... Okay, nice to know. Okay. Yalla, okay, yalla, I'm happy you all find it useful. How to do say patient and climbing, but I love this. Do say patient. Okay, we can talk about other things later on, please. Okay. يلا. شو كمان عملت? What else did I do? شو كمان عملت؟ ظهرت على التراس. I went out on the terrace, we're saying. ظهرت ع. So you use the preposition ع with ظهرت, okay? So I went out to the terrace basically. ظهرت على التراس وتشمست and I sunbathed. تشمست. ظهرت على التراس وتشمست and I sunbathed. It comes from the word shams, obviously. Your cadence? What's cadence? Okay, ظهرت على التراس وتشمست. What's something is making you sleepy, but I don't understand what it is. Okay, so ظهرت على التراس وتشمست. I went out to the terrace and I sunbathed. تشمست, memorize it because summer is coming. Okay? Yes, balcon, terrace. Balcon is usually if it's a small one. Terrace is a bigger one. Okay? So I'm gonna repeat and say ظهرت على التراس وتشمست. Hi Anna, it's a listening exercise, so say out loud. Listening and speaking. ظهرت على التراس وتشمست مع إنه although كان في هوا there was wind شوي مزعج. Thank you for you, Clara. مع إنه كان في هوا شوي مزعج although there was wind a little annoying. So there was an annoying wind basically. ظهرت على التراس وتشمست مع إنه كان في هوا شوي مزعج. هو كان الهوا كتير حلو. هو here it doesn't mean he. It kind of means like هو. In fact, okay, memorize it as in fact هو. So هو كان الهوا كتير حلو. In fact, the wind was very beautiful. بس لأني because I لأني, okay? It's conjugatable because I, because you, because he. Here I'm saying because I. لأني كنت لابسة مايو because I was the wearer of a maillot swimsuit, which means because I was wearing a swimming suit, بس لأنه كنت لابسة مايو, but because I was wearing a swimming suit, ما قدرت, I couldn't, ما قدرت, ضاين كتير. I couldn't last. I couldn't last a lot, which means I couldn't bear it a lot, or I couldn't last a lot basically. ما قدرت ضاين كتير. I couldn't last a lot. حطيت زيت على شعري. I put oil on my hair. حطيت زيت على شعري. وقعدت and I sat down. شي ساعة, about 1 hour. بعدين after that حطيت تيابي بالغسالة. I put my clothes in the washing machine. I'm gonna repeat all of this. It's a very long sentence. I'll say it slowly. Say out loud with me. ظهرت عالتراس وتشمست مع إنه كان في هوا شوي مزعج. هو كان الهوا كتير حلو، بس لأني كنت لابسة مايو ما قدرت ضاين كتير. حطيت زيت على شعري وقعدت شي ساعة. بعدين حطيت تيابي بالغسالة. Okay, so far? Yalla, we have just a small passage left. Yalla, let me know if you're saying out loud. Let me know if you have questions. If you like it, yalla, press another heart, put something, just make some action for Instagram and YouTube to show this video to more people. If you like it, of course. If you don't like it, don't do it. But if you're here, it means you like it. Okay. Yalla, can I go on? حدا عنده سؤال? Anyone has a question? Okay, yalla. I'm gonna go on. من بعدها, after that, I did the most important thing of the day. من بعدها طلعت على الأوضة. I went up. You see, I'm using it with ع. طلعت ع. I went up on, which means I went up to. طلعت على الأوضة. I went up to the room. Again, say with me out loud. من بعدها طلعت على الأوضة. فتحت الكمبيوتر. I opened the computer. فتحت الكمبيوتر with اليزون. فتحت الكمبيوتر. You see, computer the Lebanese way. فتحت الكمبيوتر. Why is it Lebanese be Lebanese? Why, John? Okay, so من بعدها طلعت على الأوضة. فتحت الكمبيوتر وسجلت and I recorded وسجلت الأوديوز. I recorded the audios لكتابة for my book. Or audios we can say تسجيلات. audios تسجيلات. So I didn't want to say سجلت تسجيلات. I recorded recordings. So that's why I said سجلت الأوديوز لكتابة. I recorded the audios for my book. But audios can also mean تسجيلات. Let's repeat. من بعد. Thank you for writing them down. Who is Girling Dervish? Give me your name. من بعد طلعت على الأوضة. فتحت الكمبيوتر وسجلت الأوديوز لكتابة. التسجيلات أوديوز. May, that's you. Okay, yalla. I like the name, Girling Dervish. Okay, yalla. Let's continue. سجلت. Oh, by the way, I'm happy I did this for the book because I am now in lesson 25. If I record the last 5 lessons, the book will be fully finished. And I promised myself, like I promise myself every month, that I'm gonna finish it. But this month, I'm really gonna finish it. Really gonna finish it. Honestly, it's really not because it's my book. It's so amazing. It's the best dialogues and conjugation book you will ever find in your life. Honestly, the amount of work that went into there and the slow recording and sometimes when I'm recording, okay, just to take a break from the listening, sometimes when I'm recording, when you hear the audios, you will think, oh, like she's so soft and patient, and oh my god, sometimes when I stop, I scream like ah, and I'm very angry, and then I re-record because sometimes when I'm at home, it's so noisy, lots of cars. I have to stop, repeat. I lock myself in the toilet so I can record it. So it has been really difficult to do that. That's why I've been procrastinating it. But the outcome, I think is really good. So I hope it's gonna be ready by the end of the month. in a printed form, plus they all come with audios. So far today I was recording the 300th audio. Imagine it, there are so far 300 audios, and the last 5 chapters are very long, so I would say it will go up to 400 audios at least. Imagine, just one book with 400 audios. Anyways, so I just did a little marketing on the side. It wasn't just marketing, like I'm really happy that it's a good thing that's happening. Okay, yalla. So let's continue. Let's repeat the first sentence, this sentence, and then I continue from there. من بعدها طلعت على الأوضة، فتحت الكمبيوتر وسجلت الأوديوز لكتابة، or عملت التسجيلات. I did the recordings. عملت, I can say عملت, I did التسجيلات. سجلت شي 2.5 ساعة. سجلت, I recorded. She means something like in this context. سجلت شي 2.5 ساعة, around 2 hours and a half. سجلت شي 2.5 ساعة. صرت هلأ, literally I became now, which means I am now in. Okay, صرت هلأ بالدرس 25. Again, صرت هلأ بالدرس 25. I now became, which means I am now, in the lesson 25, in lesson 25. So these are little phrases. You would think, okay, why do I need to say I am now in lesson 25? You will need صرت هلأ. I don't know, maybe you are meeting your friend and you can say أنا صرت هلأ حد الفارماسي. I am now next to the pharmacy. So memorize these phrases, which you can put in another context in another place. Okay, صرت هلأ بالدرس 25. بعد في 5 دروس. There is still. بعد في. We're literally saying still there is, or yet there is, which means there is still. بعد في 5 دروس. 5 lessons. لازم سجلهم. I have to record them. The on in the end means them. لازم سجلهم وبخلص and I finish. لازم سجلهم وبخلص and I finish. بدي خلص, I want to finish. قبل ما يخلص الشهر. قبل ما, before, يخلص الشهر. يخلص, it finishes. الشهر, the month. بدي خلص قبل ما يخلص الشهر. I want to finish before the month finishes. من بعدها, after that, من بعدها عملت مساج. I did a massage to myself. عملت مساج لحالي, to myself. من بعدها عملت مساج لحالي. أنا وعم بتسمع. أنا وعم. When I say أنا وعم, memorize this structure. It means while I'm doing something else. So أنا وعم بتسمع while I was listening. يعني while hearing or while listening. أنا وعم بتسمع. أول شيء, first of all, على podcast عن الدiscipline, about discipline, or discipline بالعربي يعني الانضباط. So let me repeat. من بعدها عملت مساج. أنا وعم بتسمع. أول شي first على بودكاست عن الدiscipline أو عن الانضباط. وبعدين and then still continuing to hear basically. وبعدين أغاني لبنانية and then songs Lebanese. أغاني لبنانية يعني Lebanese songs. So let's repeat. من بعدها عملت مساج. أنا وعم بتسمع على أول شي بودكاست عن الدiscipline أو عن الانضباط. وبعدين أغاني لبنانية and then Lebanese songs. وتحممت يعني I showered or I took a shower. وتحممت. وهلأ and now عم بحكي معكن. I'm speaking with you. وهلأ عم بحكي معكن. ورح اتعشى. I will dinner. رح اتعشى, which means I will have dinner. ورح اتعشى وحط كريماتي and put my creams. وحط كريماتي ونام. and sleep. So وهلأ عم بحكي معكم ورح اتعشى وحط كريماتي ونام. We finished. Should I repeat or enough? You can listen later on. If you want me to repeat once without stopping, without anything, just one time from the beginning till the end, you say out loud with me, I'll do it. If you're gonna say it, I will do it. If you're not gonna say it, I won't do it. Who wants me to repeat? I'm waiting. If you want me to repeat, say repeat. If you don't want me to repeat, say don't repeat. There's only 4 people on YouTube. At least on Instagram, there is 16 people, which is not bad. Okay, somebody wrote Yalla repeat in Arabic. So Yalla, I will repeat. Anna Maria also wants to repeat. So Yalla, let's repeat. I will repeat without stopping. You say out loud with me, okay? Yalla. But I can pause, so you say with me. اليوم وعيت شي الساعة 9:30. أول شي ومثل العادة طلعت على تليفوني وبعتت رسائل أو messages لكم شخص to a few people. من بعدها غسلت وجهي وحطيت كريماتي ولبست شورت وتي شيرت لروح على البحر. بس غيرت رأيي لأنه الطقس ما كان كتير حلو. درجة الحرارة كانت 15 وكان في هوا بارد. فضليت بالبيت وما بعرف ليه ما ظهرت كل النهار. يمكن كرمال هيك حاسة حالي شوي مخنوقة أو مفقوسة. يمكن حاسة هيك لأنه كمان ما عملت حركة اليوم or ما تحركت اليوم. بس كان نهار كتير منيح كشغل. غيته تروقت مأخر. أكلت بيض مسلوق مع سلطة وجبنة وتوست. من بعدها قعدت على الكمبيوتر واشتغلت منيح. بعتت دروس هالجمعة لتلاميذي. صلحت النصوص لحطن تحت الفيديوهات يلي عملتن آخر 7 أيام. بس خلصت تلفنت لأهلي. كانوا مجمعين أو مجتمعين مع الجيران والأصحاب وعم بيتغدوا مع بعض. اشتقت لهالقعدات. شو كمان عملت؟ ظهرت على التراس وتشمست مع انه كان في هوا شوي مزعج. هو كان الهوا كتير حلو بس لاني كنت لابسة مايو ما قدرت ضاين كتير. حطيت زيت عشعري وقعدت شي ساعة. بعدين حطيت تيابي بالغسالة. من بعدها طلعت على الأوضة فتحت الكمبيوتر وسجلت الأوديوز لكتابي or I can say عملت تسجيلات لكتابي. سجلت شي 2.5 ساعة. صرت هلأ بالدرس 25. بعد فيه 5 دروس لازم سجلهم وبخلص. بدي خلص قبل ما يخلص الشهر. من بعدها عملت مساج أنا وعم بتسمع على أول شي بودكاست عن الديسبلين أو عن الانضباط، وبعدين أغاني لبنانية، وتحممت. وهلأ عم بحكي معكم ورح اتعشى وحط كريماتي ونام. That's it for today. There were lots of comments on Instagram that I couldn't read, so if you have any questions, ask it now. If you want to know anything, if you enjoyed it, let me know. If you like the lesson, give it a thumb up. Just press on the heart on the screen or something. I'm not sure if... Wait, if I... No. I don't know how to do it. If you know how to do it, do it. So that Instagram can show it to more people and YouTube as well can show it to more people. YouTube is just 5 people, not bad. So, yalla, hopefully it will grow more and more. And hopefully more people join live on Instagram too, because, you know, out of 35,000, only 17 people join. That's too little. But thank you for whoever joined. And thank you whoever is gonna watch later on these lessons. يلا أنا نعست. I felt sleepy. نعست means I got sleepy. يعني it's like you're saying I sleeped as a verb. So نعست يلا I felt sleepy. رح روح أكل شي ونام. I will go eat something and sleep. Thank you for everybody who is sending hearts and saying thank you. Okay. يلا bonne nuit. Bye. يلا قولوا باي قبل ما أقفل. Say bye before I go so I can hang up. ميرسي على قلبك. Thank you, Prince. يلا باي.